There's no turning back. Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to be working on the September monthly setup in my PR/social media planner, which is a DIY disc-bound planner with tool disc and a tool cover. It is half letter or junior size. I did not do very much in August, so we're just not going to focus on that. Let's just go on and get busy for the month of September. So I have these inserts that I've already cut in half. This is a printable dated insert available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. It comes in a variety of sizes, including A6, B6, half letter, of course. Pretty much any size you need for any planner or traveler's notebook is available. This is the vertical version, so it has vertical lined weeks, and it has the monthly here. This is the title page on the front and back, so you can put your tabs. That's what I'm going to do with mine. And then it has a dot grid area, perfect for bullet journal info that you need for the month. So it comes in the vertical, and it also comes in horizontal. I haven't cut this one yet. I was deciding which format I wanted to use this month. I think I'm gonna stick with the vertical for now. I find decorating a vertical more fun, but I like actually planning in the horizontal. So it's kind of like a toss-up between the two. Okay. So before I even get into the weekly setup, I want to do something about this because I feel like I made it bigger so that I wouldn't have to punch inside the graphic, and also so that it would cover everything, but it kind of bugs me. I don't know. Let's see. I feel like it just hangs out way too much. It does. So I'm going to trim this off and repunch it, and hopefully I'm not making a mess here. And then we'll get into the actual monthly setup. I was just trying to make this a little more usable for me. Let's use the other trimmer. So I can clean that up properly. And then I can take my corner rounder. I'm pretty sure I did 1/4 inch rounding on this, and round that off. So let's see, that's gonna sit like that. I think I like that better. That way I can at least see my tabs. I know before it was hidden, but it's just too wide. So let's repunch. And hopefully I'm doing this right. I think I am. There's no turning back. Okay. So let's pop this on. Okay, that's much better. At least I think so. Not so wide, hanging all over like that. Yeah. Okay. So moving right along to September. So this is the clear dashboard that I made in a video. I'll link to it in the iCard up above if you're interested. So again, this is the insert. I'm going to go ahead and punch it. Let's make sure we're punching the correct side. I have my arc punch set at half letter or junior size is what it says. And punch. And then I'm going to punch this one. And I think we're done with that. So we're going to be working on these pages. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of it in. and set this aside. Okay, so for this title page, I pulled the growth stickers from Let's Get Planned. I also have this heart washi from Isis Ella Jewels. The plant washi is from Simply Gilded. It was sent to me in Happy Mail. And then these Simply Gilded bow washies. So even though it's mixed metals, you know, I don't really care that much about that. This page is just purely decorative and just for fun. So let's go ahead and do it. And I have been watching bullet journal videos pretty much all weekend. So you may notice coming up some more bullet journal style things that I'll be doing. Just giving you a heads up. Also, I posted in the community tab, if you just like notebooks and just being able to jot things down, you might want to check out the sale that's going on at Office Depot on composition notebooks. They are 50 cents for the composition notebook, and I think that's excellent price. They have a maximum of 12. Yeah, maximum. So yeah, 50 cents, that's a great price, and I think the sale ends September the 10th. So if you are interested in such things, you might want to go ahead and grab it, or grab a few. I did. I have quite a few, but I have some projects that I have coming up that will use composition notebooks, and I prefer to just write in those sometimes versus, is this going to overlay too much? Probably. Let's cut some of this off. So yeah, I prefer, even though I prefer the college rule, I'm not sure if they had college rules, because the ones that I got, I picked them up. I ordered online and just went to the store and picked up. So they may have college rule, not sure. So I'm just kind of trying to line that up. It jumped down on the paper. Do I want to cut this bottom part off? No, it's not going to work. Okay, I should have cut it off first. So there she is. Then I'm going to put this quote. I think living in the moment means letting go of the past and not waiting for the future. It means living your life consciously, aware that each moment you breathe is a gift. Oprah Winfrey. Oh, interesting. Oprah. Okay. This needs something to go with it. So it's totally bottom heavy, which means I gotta put something up at the top. So I'm gonna run this across like so. It would be nice to have some greenery on here. Wait a minute. I have Seasons of Color from the Happy Planner. I have not used this yet. I just recently purchased it. I'll swipe some of these pieces of greenery. I think that's enough. Okay. It could get out of hand. So let's go ahead and trim this up. So that's pretty cute for the month of September. I wonder if I went over it with a Tombow marker. I may do that later. Okay, let's get into this monthly. So here we go. This is what the monthly is looking like. I have my seasonal holiday occasion stickers here. If you're interested in knowing how I made this clear cover to hold these 4x6 photo albums, or the photo albums hold 4x6 photos. They are from Dollar Tree. You can also get some similar from Walmart. the video. I'll link to the video in the iCard up above. So we are in September and everything is fall, fall, fall. So let's see, do I have anything that I can use? I probably need to go back and print and cut some. Oh, I forgot 9/11 is this month. Okay. So these are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. I did a year of different occasions, holidays, monthly related things. So if you are a patron, you have access to printing these and downloading them. So Labor Day is the 5th and 9/11 is, I'm going to just use Patriot Day instead of 9/11. Let's use that. So this goes here. Okay, and where are my moon stickers? Because I kind of want to note the full moon. I think I'm going to make something for patrons for that too. These all have 2021. I need to make a sheet of, I have ideas that I need to write down. So I'm going to go back to another month here. Just happened to fall in May and grab a 2022 and use that here. I think that's everything in September. So let's go ahead. Oh, I need to put down things like paydays and appointments and things like that. Even though this is my social media planner, I kind of like to mark those just so I know. So I got a payday on the 5th. Ooh, that's taking up all the space for that day. And one on the 22nd, I believe. Let's put it at the bottom. And then I'm just going to use some kind of icon for appointments. So I have my icon stickers and all of these sticker books that I'm using, like this one. I used old stickers to make the cover of that one. Same here. I did like a rainbow look for it. The video showing how I made these, sorry about the glare, but the video showing how I made these are on this channel, and you can check the iCard. Hopefully I remember to put it in the iCard. Okay. I'm going to use a ring light right here because I'm trying to do some recording today. Let me see if I have something in this front pocket. I got a ton of stickers over here. Let's take that one too. Okay, so I have these sampler sheets from Piper Paper Company to mark days that I have appointments. So there is one tomorrow. Then we have one on the 27th and the 21st. So I probably can just use this sheet. I also pulled these dolls. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them. Let's put down some washi. I think I'm going to use, well, my intent was to use the same washi, but I don't know that I want to now. So let me see what other washi I have that I might want to use. Let's go with this blush colored washi. And let's put it in the box. Let's use the dolls. How do I want to use them? I really want to use all three. And these are those see-through. Let's put her here. And then we'll put her next to her. And then she can go over here. I was gonna white it out, but let's see if I can just lighten it a little bit with the white jelly roll. Yeah, it worked a little bit. So there is that. Use a couple of these little plant stickers. Let's see if there's any florals here that I can use. So I'm going to try some of this greenery. I know it's more tropical, but I'm going to try these. These are from the seasonal pages. And I'm just going to try some down at the bottom. I'm not going to press them down quite yet because I also want to see about incorporating some florals on here. So let's just use 3 of those for now. And see what other flowers I have in here. Let's see, we got these pink florals here. So let's see about using those. Let's see, I might need another green leaf or something in there. I think I'm gonna leave it at that for September and fill in anything else I need to later. All right, so that's it. We got our cover page and then our monthly page for September. Let's go ahead and pop these back in and see what we've got. So this is our title page for the month, and then we get to the monthly. I also need to go ahead and put the tab on for September. So I have my tabs here that I made using sticker paper and a single piece of laminate. So I only laminated one side, and I use the Cricut. I may have used Cricut. You can use the Cricut or Silhouette to cut these out. The tabs are, I don't know if they're still available in my shop. If they are, I will link to the tabs in the description box below. Sorry, I had glue on my hand this whole time. I was refilling the glue right before I started recording, and I had a little accident with it. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on here. I don't want the sticker to interfere with it, so I'm gonna pull that up a little bit. I should have did this first. There's September. All done, ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.